Hey everyone, this is Sammy from the Gliffy team at Perforce Software. I wanted to do a quick video to showcase our templates in Gliffy diagrams for Confluence Cloud. If you haven't yet, you can sign up for a free eval of Confluence Cloud via the Atlassian Marketplace. I've got a link below. And if you already have Gliffy installed, you are ready to get started right away. All you need to do is type /Gliffy to add a Gliffy diagram to your Confluence page. From here, you have a few different options. You can use a recent diagram as a template, or you can search for a diagram to use one of those diagrams as a template. So you can search by spaces, your most recently modified or created, or just alphabetical, and then keywords within that diagram to pull these up. Now back to that create a new diagram option, you can use one of these most recent. These are just for setting up your editor, so it's not actually a template. Clicking this sets up the sidebar of your editor with the shapes that you need to easily make an org chart. So if you want to use a template, what you need to do is start clicking around over here. We have tons of templates that you can work with and different categories here. So if you're doing a planning exercise, some great ones like a balanced scorecard to get started. And our newest templates that we've added are Kanban boards and Scrum templates and retrospective templates. So a really fun way to get started using Gliffy with some agile ceremonies for your team. So to use one of these templates, rather than starting from scratch, all you have to do is click on it and click create, and that loads in that template for you so that you can start adding your thoughts and ideas. Easy as that. I'm going to hit save, give this a name, and head on back to Confluence where you will see that diagram pop onto your page. Easy. Now again, Gliffy is free for up to 10 users in Confluence, so be sure to sign up for a free trial if you haven't yet, and if you're a small team looking to get started. All those links are available below. Happy diagramming!